In this video, you'll learn how to check your login activity on Bitget, a popular cryptocurrency trading platform. By following these steps, you will be able to view important information related to your account security and access history. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Bitget homepage. You can do this by typing the URL into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, look for the Beyond Crypto option, which should be prominently displayed on the main interface. Next, click on the Beyond Crypto section. This will redirect you to a new page where various options are available. Locate and click on your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with multiple selections. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Look for the dashboard option in the left sidebar and click on it to proceed. Once the dashboard appears, you will see an overview of your account activity. Here, navigate to the security section, usually located in the sidebar. Clicking on security will lead you to security-related settings and options. Following this, click on account management. This section contains vital information regarding your account's security features. After entering this area, select account activity to view detailed records about your account interactions. Next, find and click on More to explore additional options related to your account activity. This will display further details about your login and security actions. Look for login history and click on it to access your login records. The login history section will now be visible, showing you a list of your recent logins. Click on security activity to view any security-related actions that have occurred on your account. It is important to monitor this section regularly for any suspicious activity. Subsequently, you will see a note stating that only records of the past 3 months are displayed. You can click on time to filter your login history based on specific dates. This feature is useful if you want to analyze your login patterns over time. You may also click on action to view the specific actions taken during each login session. This provides clarity on what occurred during each access attempt. Additionally, clicking on login location will reveal the geographical locations from which your account was accessed. To further evaluate your login activity, you can click on IP address to see the specific IP addresses used during your logins. This information is crucial for identifying any unauthorized access. Lastly, click on devices that have been used to log into your account. After reviewing this information, it is advisable to regularly check your login activity to ensure your account's security. Keeping an eye on unusual logins can help prevent unauthorized access and keep your assets safe. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.